I said decimals we can do in two methods. Already we have discussed first method in the first video. See how we have to do the decimals in the second method. See, in this method we can't write the fractional form. We can directly multiply. How? See, look at this first bit, first question. 0.3 into 6. How we have to multiply? So while multiplying, should think that there is a no point. After completion of the product, we need to think the point. So while going to multiply, you should think that there is no point. So 0.3, you should think it as a 0.3 as a 0.3. You can think should multiply it with 6. So similar multiply, and the same how we are multiplying the numerals, same like that you can multiply. So 6 3s are 18. So carry 1. 6 0 0 plus 1. 1. Now you can think about the point where we have to put the point in the product. So you can count the digits in the decimal part. So how many digits are there in the decimal part in the decimal? See, only one digit. So that you can put point after one digit in the product from right to left. See, one digit after you can put a point, so that we can write 0.3 into 6 is equal to 1.8. Similarly, second one, 7 into 2.7 is there. So 2.7 should multiply with 7. How? So I said clearly, should not think about the point while multiplying. So there is a no point. So that 7 7 is 49. Carry 4. 7 2 is 14 plus 4, 18. Now think about the point. Now you can put the point. How? See, count the decimals in the decimal part. How many decimals are there? 1. So one digit only there. So one digit after you can put a point from right to left in the product. So one digit after means 18.9. So the answer becomes 18.9. So 7 into 2.7 is equal to 18.9. So now go for the third one. 2.71 into 5. How we have to multiply 2.71 into 5. 2.71 into 5. I said clearly, when you are going to multiply, should not think about the point. Directly you can multiply. General multiplication you can do. 5 1 ja 5. 5 7 ja 35. Carry 3. Carry 3. Now 5 2 is 10 plus 3 13. Point here we get, because 1 2 1 2, so we get 13.55. Now fourth one. Oh, fourth one, 19.7 into 4. We can write it as 19.7 into 4. How we can multiply? 4 7 ja 28, carry 2. 4 9 ja 36 plus 2 38, carry 3. Carry 3. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3. 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 7. 1. So one digit after we can put the point, because there is only one digit after the point. So 19.7 into 4 is equal to 78.8. Now we go for the fifth one. 0.05 into 7. So which can be written as 005. Yes, point here into 7. Should think that 005 into 7. 7 5s are 35. carry 3, 700 plus 3, 700 0. Now 1 2, 1 2. So 0.35, 0.05 into 7 is equal to 0.35. The sixth one, 0.05 into 7. Oh, sorry, the sixth one not. It is this fifth one. Sixth one, 21001. 2100, sorry, 21 point. We can write it as sixth one, 210.01 should multiply with 5. How? 210.01 into 5. We can read it as 210.01. 5 1 ja 5, 5 0 ja 0, 5 0 ja 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Count the digits in the decimal part. 1 2, 1 2. So we can get 1050.05. So 210.01 into 5 is equal to 1050.05. Last one, seventh one. Look at 2 into 0.86. So 0.86 should multiply with 2. 2 6 12, carry 1. 2 8 just 16 plus 1 17. 2 0 0 plus 1 1. Here the two digits are there in the decimal part, so you can put point after two digits. We can get 1.72. 2 into 0.86 is equal to 0.72. This is the method.